What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back at you guys again with another video. In this video, we're going to be hitting up the outlet mall to source some shoes, hopefully to sell on Go or StockX. But first, I need to hit the UPS store. I got about 16 pairs going out today. Shoes have been flying on Go, especially lately for me. Don't know if any of you guys are selling on Go or StockX. I'm sure you guys might have seen some great sales lately, but we're gonna go drop these shoes off, head to the outlets and see if we can find any gems. Alrighty guys, just left the Nike outlet, picked up about 10-ish pairs of shoes, got some good stuff, got a pair of Vapor Maxes for like 80 bucks, got some Air Max 1s, the Wheat editions, got some Air Force 1s, got some React Visions, just nothing major, but some pretty good profit makers that sell quick. At the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff I picked up, some of my good finds of the week, what's sold so week this far, just so you guys can get a better idea of the type of shoes I'm flipping on Goat from the outlets. But since the day is still pretty early, I'm gonna head to Ross, maybe hit a Marshall's, maybe a Burlington, see if we can find some more sneakers. Let's go. If you're ever thinking about moving to Arizona, don't. It's been getting up to 120 degrees. It's freaking ridiculous. Just got back from shopping, didn't do well at all at Ross, found nada. So just got some outlet finds from Nike. I'm gonna go unload them from my truck, bring them out, show you guys what I got and some expected profits. Alrighty guys, let's get right on into the haul. Total today, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pairs, or 7 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of sandals. So let's get right on into it. So the first pair I got these in a size 10 and a size 9.5. These are the Air Max 1 Premiums, the Wheat edition. I actually bought one of these, found one at the outlet literally maybe 3-4 days ago. Picked them up, they sold within 6 hours maybe, for 25 bucks profit. So I'm expecting the same 25 to 40 profit on these each. So we'll just go with 25 profit each on these 2 pair of shoes. I paid 60, they're going for a little over 100, so 50 bucks profit right here. Next pairs I got were these Air Force 1s. They're pretty cool. I'm not quite sure what they are, but they got this little kind of character dude kind of hang tag on them. Air Force 1s always do fairly well. These ones are going for around 100 bucks. Paid $39.99 for them. Got a size 10 and a size 10.5. So probably gonna make at least 30 bucks a pair. So 60 plus 50, we're at 110 profit. And these should all sell fairly quickly. The next pair, there's only one sold in this specific size, but I actually like this next shoe, so I figured it's in my size. If it doesn't sell quickly, I'm just gonna wear them myself. I kind of hope they don't sell. But they are the Nike React Visions. I think these are pretty sweet looking shoes. Probably to work out with them, kind of wear them as a casual kind of summer runner shoe, but paid $59.99. The one that sold for like 120 on Goat. So if they do sell for, I got them listed for 110, I'm gonna make probably around 35 profit. So we're over 150 profit so far on the first 5 pairs. Now the next 4 pairs I got were from the Nike factory store. Those other last pairs were from a Nike clearance store. First pair we have here are the Vapor Max size 10 in women's, the Oreo editions. These must have been a return. They were on the back wall, but they were listed for $134.99, minus 20% off, plus I got 40 off 150, so these came out to I think around like $82 after all the discounts. These are going for like 180, so I'll definitely make at least like 70 bucks on these. So that's 210 profit. Next pair I got were a Nike React. Most of these sizes weren't any good, but just these simple Nike React, got like the cork little insides. Paid around 52 after the discounts on these. Sold comps on StockX and Goat for over 100, so probably another 30 profit minimum on these, size 7. So that puts us well over 200 in profit. And the next and last 2 pairs I picked up today to sell on Goat or StockX are these Nike N7 Sandals. Picked these up after discounts for 14 bucks. Sold comps on Goat for over $70 to $100, surprisingly. Nothing special, just the N7. There's only a few that have sold, so I'm not expecting these to move quickly, but for 14 bucks with the opportunity to sell them for over $70, pretty good profit margin. I'm willing to sit on them for a bit, but that's it for the pickups for today. Again, I went to 2 outlets right next to each other, so maybe an hour and a half of sourcing at the most. And I'm gonna show you guys some of my top sales of the week, some of my top finds of the week from the Nike outlet that I've been selling on GOAT. Alrighty guys, so again, these are shoes I've found within the past week. First pair we got for $39.99, another Air Force One. These actually already sold on GOAT for about $90, so I made 25 profit on these. I was able to scoop up 2 different sizes in these, so they're pretty sweet. If they're my size, I'd actually keep a pair. But again, Air Force Ones, they made a comeback this year ever since the Travis Scotts dropped, but always decent profits to be made, and they sell quick, so sold these already, so these will be shipped out on GOAT. Next pair of these like Nike Space shoes, I found them at the clearance outlet for $59.99. Someone must have returned them. I think these did pretty well. I think these sold out, but these are a larger size in women's, size 12, so size 10.5 in men's. Good profits to be made on these. These were going for like over 120, 130 bucks on GOAT. So these should sell fairly quickly. Again, probably good $40 profit on that pair. Next pair I found was a pair of Vapor Maxes for $79. These have sold comps on GOAT for over 180. So we're looking at some pretty good profits on these. Vapor Maxes always sell pretty quickly. This probably isn't the best colorway, but again, it's a Vapor Max, and people love Vapor Maxes. And probably my best find of the week, I already sold 1 pair and shipped them out earlier in this video, and I recently just sold, maybe a couple hours ago, my last pair. I got 2 size of 11 Jordan 10 Retros for $79.99. They both sold for $150. So I made about $45 profit on each pair. Literally found these 3 days ago, and they're both already sold, so 90 bucks profit in 3 days. Quick and easy money, can't really beat it. But again guys, these are the type of shoes I'm finding at the outlets to flip for quick cash. I'm already there, already looking. So definitely, if you haven't started to try to flip shoes on GOAT, if you can't sell them on Amazon like I can, I'm making more profit on GOAT per shoe, like 4 or 5 times profit per shoe than I will on Amazon. Reason being is on GOAT StockX, there's 0 returns. If you're selling shoes on Amazon, you're gonna have over a 10% return rate, which just totally crushes your profit margin. So, and I'm very surprised at the amount of volume I'm moving on GOAT, simply because I only had like 42 pairs of shoes listed on GOAT to start the week, and I sold 16 pairs on GOAT this week and 2 on StockX. So I pretty much sold half of my inventory from this week, which is pretty amazing in terms of sell-through rates. Again guys, I'm gonna be trying to scale GOAT and StockX a lot more, just because I see there's a very big opportunity. So if you're enjoying these type of videos, sneaker shopping, thing of that nature, let me know down in the comments, and I'll be sure to put out some more content for you guys. But other than that, that's gonna wrap up this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.